Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your JBL Tune 115. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and these earbuds are disconnected from your phone. So after that, just remove it from the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. Now you should check it. Maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and now you should connect the charging case to the power. And if you can see that this LED light is blinking, it means that you did it. And now you should press and hold at the touch area on your right earbud for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair a new device, and after that remove your earbuds from the charging case. It will enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!